Okay, today we have this new CANscan KP100 remote frequency tester. It can test most of the remote frequency in the world, and then from 300 to 320 and 434, 868, 902. Okay, this is Mercedes-Benz for 315, and this 434 for Honda, and this BMW 868, and this is the new key for 2018 Mustang 902. Okay, here's how it works. Turn it on, and then you press any button. Okay, it's 902. The light will get on, and then buzzer, and then he is 868, and then of course 434, and then 315, and also you can test the IR. See? Okay, easy.